Hello, it's Karen, the Weekend Craftaholic, and I have received my mystery box from Uniquely Creative. I think I mentioned it in a previous video that I actually ordered 2 of these this time. I did get one previously. If I can find the video, I'll link it for you. That particular one was from when one of the craft fairs was cancelled, and I absolutely loved it. I thought there was loads of bargains, loads of things I would normally buy. So when they announced the COVID Made Me Do It weekend special for everybody in lockdown, I thought I'd order 2 of these because I thought if there's a double up, that's fine. I can always put it away in a giveaway bag or whatnot. So it has come today. I've had a kind of a sneak peek because they're not in white bags like they were last time. Not sure which bag this one came out of, but we'll go through them separately anyway. So as always, there's a little card with the sentiments on, and I've got the Essentials Die 5 that helps me cut that out nice and quick. But let me zoom in a little for you. Ooh, let's get it out of this plastic bag. I can see it reflecting. So I'm not sure which one this came out of, but you can see these are the little sprinkles and they look like little flowers, rainbow flowers. So they're pretty cute. Now I already have this die and I thought this might happen. I might get some double ups, so it's $2.80, it's fine. I'll be able to do this as a giveaway or a de-stash. Recently I found a de-stash group actually for Uniquely Creative, so if there's a few things in here that I'm not liking or doubled up on, I know I'll be able to add it on that. So check that out on Facebook if you've come across it. Metal die, I do have some nested circle dies, but not these stitched effects, cross-stitch circle dies. So yes, liking that. One of the laser cut sheets with the little flourishes on, best day ever. Pretty cute. And some more flourish. Yep, flourish die. I don't know if it matches the set or not. I've not seen that one before. Stencils. I always love a stencil. This one is called Trellis. Luckily I don't have it, so doing well so far. The love hearts. There's lots of dies, isn't there? So lovely die. This must be cross stitch again, maybe an idea so you can stitch these dots. Butterflies, not really a fan of butterflies. Butterfly builder set. I'll have to have a look at some of their old videos and see if there's some design team ideas using that. Hibiscus outline die. Not so sure on that one, I'll be honest. And this one, not sure at all. The Oriental Fan Die. I'm not sure how or when I would use that, unless I don't know if it folds up. Interesting. Oh, and an acrylic block, wow. It's got the grid lines on it as well though. It looks like it's 6x4, so that's pretty good. And we have got some of the lace butterflies as well. I have got some lace from them, but not the butterfly one. So that was the first pack. So that was $55 for those. Obviously Australian dollars. Let's see how many double ups we've got. Okay, so I've got another little mini stamp. I feel like I almost purchased this crossword one, and then decided not to. More dies. This is the windmill die, very Australian themed. Again, not really something that I would purchase. This is cute though, isn't it? Oh, and it's got the dies with it. So this is the Good On Ya. Good On Ya die set, and there's some nice little sentiments here. Wombatulations, super stoked for you, and greetings from Australia. Good on you. So that is pretty cute. It's got some of the wombats as well as the kangaroos. A wood metal die, stacked logs this one's called. That's pretty cute. I can imagine that would look really effective when that die is cut. Some little trees. Eucalyptus forest die. Okay, interesting again. Oh, and I've got the same die here. Oh, definitely need to de-stash or Goodwill this one. And a paper pad. So this is the Choose Your Own Adventure one. I'll quickly open it. I feel like this is a relatively recent kit. One that I missed on. I didn't really, wasn't something I felt I wanted to buy. Colour schemes are not really my style, but they've got some good neutrally ones in there as well. So yeah, let's have a look. It's quite a pretty one. Some black and white, you can never go wrong with those. Some cut apart sheets, little tags, And then I think we start all over again with those. So what do you think? Do you think I got a bargain? Do you think it's something you'll try and grab next time they have one on sale? I did share it on my Facebook for people because I thought it would be such a great bargain compared to the haul that I got last time. So I hoped you liked that. It's giving you some ideas of what was in the kit. If you missed out, gives you a bit of an idea. I know all the kits were going to be very different, so just because I got these doesn't mean that's what you would have got, but it does give you an idea on the type of content. Heaps and heaps of dies, wasn't there? So that is it for me. Nice quick video. I hope to see you again at the weekend. Thanks for watching.